In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Airtable in just 5 minutes. Whether you're fresh to the platform or just in need of a quick refresher, this walkthrough will help you manage your projects efficiently using Airtable's intuitive interface. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to the Airtable website. You're looking for a workspace to build next-gen apps, and that's exactly what Airtable is, a platform where creativity meets organization. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to a login page where you can use your credentials to access your account. In case you don't have an account yet, there's an option to sign up just below. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the Airtable home, which serves as the central hub for your workspaces and bases. From here, you'll find an overview of everything you're working on, which makes it easy to jump back into an old project or start something new. Now that we're on the Airtable homepage, the next thing you want to do is select a base to open. Think of bases like digital notebooks or workspaces where you store all related data for your projects. Your bases are organized neatly on your home screen, so just click on one that you want to explore further. Immediately after opening your base, you'll notice different views. The functionality in views lets you toggle between different perspectives of your data, such as a calendar, a grid view, or even a Kanban style board. To switch views, navigate around the tabs or menu. Altering views helps you find the layout that best suits your data representation needs. Next on the list is selecting a table within your base. Tables function like spreadsheets, storing different categories of information. You can add columns for various data types such as text, dates, or attachment links, ensuring your data is organized and accessible. Navigate to the top of your screen where you'll find a tab labeled Table. Just click here and a drop down will show your current tables. Choose your desired table and voila, your data is ready for a closer look. Now that you're familiar with navigating between different tables and views, let's click on Records. Each of these records is a single entry into your database, similar to a row in a spreadsheet. Here you can add, edit, or delete entries. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep growing your database with new data, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated Airtable from the homepage into bases, through flexible views, and down to the nitty-gritty of individual records. Whether you're managing a complex project or planning a personal event, Airtable provides the tools to keep everything organized, efficient, and most importantly, accessible. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to come back for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Airtable experience.